What's it like with all these old drunkards?
Oh, I know it's hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. It's always entertainment wherever you go. So I don't mind being in the back seat and watching it all happen in front of me. It's hilarious.
Mora.
Hallo. Right here. Hi there.
Quick interview.
Just checking the fluids.
Yeah. Checking the oil and I just adjusted the carburetor again. She goes like a dream.
Yeah, it uses a bit of water, uses a bit of oil. Exhaust falling off, but other than that, all good.
Eers is almal baie welkom. 35ste rally. Gentlemen and ladies, start your engines.
Oh, nice.
Ja, hulle moet hom jumpstart. Battery is nie lekker nie. Of die alternator is nie lekker nie. Moet dan nie klop.
I love all of them. I'll do every single one if I could afford it.
Julle manne lyk mooi hierso. Is dit nou vir die best dressed couple hier?
Ons hou maar net van netjies wees.
En die kar, doe weer reg.
Hy is reg om. Hy het gister 'n bietjie kondenser moeilikheid gehad, maar aan die been ingesit, gelukkig 'n sper gehad, so jy loop weer.
Hoe loop die kar?
Stoot.
Shocks, back or front? Nothing.
Nothing in the back.
Yes.
Broken.
Nog on ons way.
Thank you.
Bou kom nou maar op, sit daktent op,
Ja.
sit die dakrak op, die yskassie agterin,
En die engine klink
gesond.
gesond, ja.
Waarom nie waar joh? Ons is wel warm.
Kaas.
Bietjie lekker daar.
Let that pose carry on.
Good morning.
Do you need some help? I'll come back in a minute. Morning. Morning. How's this dust and wind and cold and everything, eh? Yeah.
All of it.
Hello.
had time to fix anything. So we decided to come to Tankwa again. Just like it. And fix and go and fix and go. The suspension we've got is a 0.8 bar.
Sit jou goedjies in die sakkie en ons kom pak dit miskien hierso iewers. Jy ry deur Nieuwoudswil tot op die einde.
Well, so far we've only got a front left puncture. So,
And the suspension
yeah,
broke
hanky.
and the one disappeared.
Yeah, so we've had some suspension tweaking to do and stuff like that. And also the front left puncture, but that's all.
Dis die eerste trip wat julle doen, hè?
Dis ons eerste jaar.
Ja. Net aan 'n carburetor opgesit.
Ja.
En ag dan maar die general maintenance goedjies, so 'n electric fan ingebou.
Kalfinia is die bonuskarretjie gister. Die was weer baie oulik geweest.
Ja.
Trein waar daar staan.
Ja.
Nou agter die blomme is baie mooi. Hier baie mooi.
Sorry, cameraman.
the Bowden cable that controls the shifting points of where the automatic gearbox shifts seems to have broken off. So now she just shifts at the maximum speeds. And then we've had a few loose radiator mounts up front, and the engine mount I think was bad coming in already. But other than that, and one alarming new noise that I don't know where it's coming from, but I think it might have been the loose radiator rattling around a bit.
Yeah.
So I cable tied some sticks in there like you do in the bush.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll see how she does today.
Gentlemen, start your engines.
A little bit of wind. Not so bad as yesterday.
We actually had the exhaust brake off and the suspension completely collapsed to the back. So luckily at Glen William they helped us a bit with some rubber spacers and welding of the exhaust. But other than that, we're all good.
Ja.
Draai links of rechts. Ek het dit nie opgestel nie vir die klap te sien en links. So, anders nog gaan doen van uitgaan na Alfinia. Alfinia fuel
Okay, cool. Thank you, boys.
Thank you, boys.
Yes, gave it a little bit of TLC.
Yeah.
And just top up the oil, top up the water, fix the exhaust and hold on tight.
Hoe geniet jy die rally so ver?
Baie lekker, nee.
En wat is vir jou die beste?
Gister aan my bootjie met die hy wat hy goed as hy die krase.
O ja,
hy het
afgerond.
met hom mooi.
Papwiel gehad op dag 1, bietjie van 'n mood killer geweest, maar uitgesort, loop so jet.
Ja, ons kan hom. Wat ons gaan doen is, ons gaan dit net regulate terug op die help. Twee rondjes gee.
Dis great fun.
Ja.
Ons love it.
Die rally is actually baie lekker.
Ja.
Ja, nee, ons geniet dit gehad uit so. Dis absoluut 'n moed.
It's okay.
It's okay, you have to say that.
It's entertaining,
Yeah.
as you said, yeah. But that's okay.
Toe in 2022 het my paal dit gedoen vir die eerste keer.
Ja.
En toe hulle terugkom met die stories en die ondervindings. Dus is nie ons moet dit
doen,
van binne vir 'n kar begin soek, ja.
Is it a bad influence?
No, it's not a bad influence. I think it's just fun, spreading fun all around, I reckon.